Good morning, out here walking through the garden, doing my morning wake and bake with the dogs. About to see what I need to do in my garden. My son's been helping me a lot. He did a lot of weeding for me, and when I don't have time to water, he does the watering for me. And I'm just going to show you guys what's been going on. Cabbage, still growing. I just neglected the spinach once it started bolting and flowering. Weeds have taken over because animals dug up this, so that's okay. And I can't seem to find the mystery bug that's eating up this cabbage. I'm treating them with neem oil each week from Lowe's that I bought. And something is eating good. Sometimes we cut this and eat it. The ones we cut look taller. Interesting. Ooh, delicious. These greens never came up. They bolted. My bean stalks are growing. I want them to catch and go up. I got a long way to go. I never did use that yet. Yard's almost clean. Almost. Still got real cartridge stuff piled up. Compost bin still doing its natural thing. Ooh, my herbs look so delicious. It's early, so it's before the sun can come over here. Dang, Basil. Dang, you is tall, girl. Uh-oh, something eating my basil. It's time to treat. Those were green. I didn't plant them. Oh my God. This is what's at the top of the onion. That's amazing. Are all those going to be baby onions? Oh my God, that's a lot of extra onions. I've never seen that before. He's not done weeding. Dang, the cucumber is big. I haven't seen y'all in so long, it feels like. At least rain kept me in the house. Getting tall. Something's eating over there on that leaf a little bit. Oh, something knocked down the tomato stand. Oh, there's dog shit back here. I wonder what animal knocked that down. These tomatoes are growing pretty quickly. And that's the potatoes. They took over the whole area. The strawberries under there, I gotta move those out. The peppermint here was growing next to the potatoes, but the potatoes are so sprawled out. I have no idea how to prune those, by the way. Squash, my berries and watermelons. Slow growing peppers. These I want to put in the ground. These are some jalapenos and tomatoes. I want to put them in some of these bags. I am a little slow to maximize on harvest. He did not cut back there. That's okay. I will tell him later. It's a lot of weeds. Oh, I forgot to show you these. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna help you stand up. So this is my initial morning walkthrough, and I'm just noticing all the work that I have to do. That's watermelon, 2 of them. The watermelon that was up here is dead. Do not grow watermelon in containers. Trust me, this is my 2nd year. Those are the biggest plants I've ever grown. That's because I put them in the ground. The okra came back. I thought I killed them earlier, so I can plant some of that too. Everything else we cleaned out the greenhouse. So there's a lot of work to do. A lot of little things, not a lot of things. So just labor, not back-breaking, thank God. We're past the back-breaking phase. Just showing y'all an update. I'm not ready to talk yet, just showing. Love y'all.